August 6th, 2024, in Georgia. A routine traffic stop for speeding begins to shift when the driver cannot be identified.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, do you have your license on you? The reason I'm stopping is you're going 77 on the loop and it was 55 through there.
Yeah, but I went to 60 when I seen you. I went to 60 when I seen you, and there was literally cars all in front of me going
You're the fastest
my
car.
speed. I wasn't.
Okay, you got your license on you? So when you saw me, you did slow down, but I'd already got you coming down the hill, okay? The minivan behind you was going 68, and you were going 77, okay? So give me 1 second. So do you have a middle name? I can't find you in the...
It's calculated. Well, it's for Indiana.
Oh, your driver's license out of
Yeah.
Indiana? Okay, and it's a valid driver's license?
Yes.
Okay. Is there a reason you don't have it on you? How long have you been in the state of Georgia?
Like a year.
A year? Is there a reason you haven't swapped over to a Georgia license?
I'm not. I was just in school.
Go ahead.
So I'm planning on going back.
Okay, you do realize that's driving without a valid license in the state of Georgia, right? You have 30 days. If you've been here for a year, you have 30 days to swap your license over.
Okay, no one ever told me that.
Okay.
Yes, 30.
July of 89.
Yes.
Okay, the reason I'm asking is because we just ran that name out of all states and it's not coming back.
Oh, well, I don't know. I never got, this is my first time getting pulled over.
Okay, we also ran out of Indiana and there was no return out of Indiana for a driver's license.
Yeah, my driver's license is valid.
Okay. So the issue is
you...
Huh?
I said, I don't know why you're saying that.
I'm not sure either. Okay. So we can't get out of here until I figure out who you are, okay? So it needs to get a return on it. So what's going to happen is I'm going to have somebody come out here with a fingerprint scanner. They're going to have to scan you to see if they get a return through that, okay? It's not my fault, Ms. Phillips. You're the one that was speeding. You're also the one that has no license on you. Okay, so it's not my fault that we're in this situation right now. So you have no form of ID on you, nothing with your name on it at all.
I don't have nothing because it's not in my car, so I don't have nothing. I don't know.
Who owns the vehicle?
My little brother, Capri.
Is he home right now? Would he be able to find your license and send me a picture of it, or send you a picture of it? I'm trying to figure out how we can do this the fastest way. Do you want to step out so we can do the scanner real quick? You can bring your phone if you want. Not working. Wonderful.
My account's disabled now. It's not working. My bad, bro.
You're good, bro. Alright, guys, we have a couple more options. Well, unfortunately for you, we take speed serious in the state of Georgia, Miss Phillips. Here, come here real quick. I'm gonna take a picture of your face, okay? I got one other officer coming. We're gonna try one more thing. If not, I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna try to find you through your face recognition through our system. If I find you, then I'll call you and let you know what's going on. If not, and I find out that it's a different name, then you're gonna have a warrant signed, okay? I'm just saying. I'm just giving you the scenarios, okay? I'm not saying you're lying to me. But what I am saying is that
I can go to court. You want to write me a ticket or something, but
well, that's the issue.
This caused us a lot. Like now, she literally had to call off work. That's gonna cause her not to afford. Like this is kind of causing us a whole bunch.
Okay.
Because they can't even afford to like miss work.
What's a good phone number for you? Is that you?
Yeah, but that's not my real. I don't know.
Also, 45, 47 is not an address.
Have you been arrested?
There's not a 45, 47 Carvin Circle in Indianapolis.
There's not that. Well, probably.
What are the odds that this is a Phillips in Indiana as
I'm
well?
saying that's not me, so I don't know somebody out. I don't know. That's not. I never got pulled over. Period. I never got.
Well, it
pulled
doesn't
over.
technically mean you got pulled over.
Spell my name.
It
That
says
looks like her.
it does look like her.
Yeah.
It says 44.
Can't confirm. I guess you just let her go and we'll just figure it out later. Right?
I'm gonna try to run one more thing on.
I'm saying.
Oh. Hey, do you know how old your sister is?
Yes.
Okay, you're fine. The reason I'm asking is because we found this for in Indiana. But that's your sister, right? It says she's 44. Her age here. Alright, give me 1 second.
3085.
Miss Phillips, how old are you? How old are you?
My birthday is in 89.
Okay, how old are you? You don't know how
What's
old
your
you
birthday
are.
cake say last year? You're being deceptive. I don't like
know I'm
that.
not. I don't
Here's
want
the
you
issue.
information
You were
because
born in 1989, right?
Yes. I already
Okay,
got
listen to me.
information I already gave
Listen to me.
y'all.
You don't. So that makes you in your 30s, supposedly, right? You don't know your age. You don't know your social.
No, I
I've
do
never
know my
met.
age.
I've never
I'm
met.
done giving y'all
I've
information
never
because
met an adult that does not know their age.
Okay, I'm 35. I'm trying to say I'm done giving y'all information now because
Okay.
literally it's like this been going on for a. So either I don't know what y'all want me to say. So
Okay.
I'm
Well, at
done
this
giving
point, I get to the
information.
point where I'm just going to take you to jail. Okay.
You have no reason to take me to jail.
Well, unfortunately
I'm
for you,
not
in the
doing-
state of Georgia, everything is an arrestable offense.
No.
Okay. So we either
I
find out
haven't
who
done
you
anything
are.
for y'all to take me to jail. That's not my place for you all to find out who I am. You said you was coming with all the stuff. I got out cooperated.
Okay.
The stuff. You have no
You were
reason to
driving the
arrest
car, right?
me. Yes,
Okay,
I
so
wasn't. I was barely even speeding.
You're going 77.
You know what barely speeding means? Speed. Welcome to Georgia.
So nothing else for us. That's it.
I don't. What do you want? Else you want me to give you?
Your social. Something
I
that
don't-
can identify
if
you.
I had my information,
You also
I
gave
would
us a
give
fake
it to
address.
you. What fake
The
address I
Carver
give you?
Circle. I mean, the
Carbon circle is not a
Carver
valid
Circle doesn't
address.
exist.
Okay, I don't know. Keep trying the things. I told him already. I
I
don't
told you on
remember
Google
none of the
Maps, it's not an
addresses by heart. I don't remember. I never saw the best. I don't remember the addresses. I literally told him Evansville, where I stayed in Indianapolis. So all of that could have got. I don't know what else y'all want me to do.
What's your Facebook name?
I don't have a Facebook.
You don't have any social
I
media?
don't have no social media, and I'm not. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm not lying. But I don't care about any of that stuff. I don't have it. That's my. We have the same father.
The same father.
Yeah.
Okay. So if I go ask him in his phone what your name is saved
That's a
as,
girl.
That's a
or
girl.
her, my apologies. If I ask her what your name is saved as, what would it be?
I don't know what she got my name saved as. I literally just showed him my number and my.
Telephone number. Yeah, let's try that.
Coming through.
So I'm not quite understanding the issue. Like, what's
It's not like I was doing.
the issue is-
before I got to him, I did 60. Before I even got to him. Look the number
he just
up.
called
Look
you.
it
I
up.
just called you.
It's not.
I
I
also
gave
see
you my
somebody
phone
else's
number.
contact that says
It's my
Galileo.
number. It's my number.
So you have your own name.
But anyway,
She's just not coming back. She's giving me an Indiana name, date of birth. She's not coming back out of any state.
He just said my name's not running up.
what's her last name she gave you?
Phillips.
And then the one you pulled up was Joy
Joy
Phillips,
Phillips.
right? Somebody's
Well, I
got a
don't-
fingerprint scanner. You want that?
He's
thing?
got one, but he can't log into it.
Oh.
You're the
And that's
east
what
side.
I got out for.
Okay. The issue is, I just watched you pull up a contact to the Galileo.
That's not my. You asked for me for my number, and that's what I gave you. My number.
What's that phone? What's that phone number?
This is my other phone. There's no. This is not ring.
Just take it to jail.
There's no
Yeah,
number.
don't
And
turn
you
around.
cannot.
Jail. You're a liar.
I'm making sure I see. This is. For
Miss
no
Phillips, I'm
reason
not
y'all
calling
shouldn't
you.
have locked me up 'cause my
No,
name's
I'm not calling. I
ringing
got
up.
it. I'm not calling you a liar.
So let me explain this.
But what I am saying is that there's some things that we got.
I know because I'm a freaking
Change.
criminal running
Yeah,
around
you
here
got
with
change?
warrants and shit.
In my
It's
car.
never this serious. There's nothing on my name. Even that name y'all put up. What's criminal? Anything y'all put up, period. For you are for it to be this deep. On anything you pull up.
Well, right now you're an unlicensed driver.
For starters, I told you that. I told you that earlier. I told you that earlier.
Yeah.
If you don't switch your address within 30 days in the state of Georgia, you're considered unlicensed. Okay.
Please do not go through my stuff.
Well, you're under arrest.
That's an ID.
Why didn't you just give me this?
But I didn't know this was in my
You
packet.
didn't know
Literally, you see me standing here.
I'm just making it clear you're under arrest. I'm searching the incident arrest.
You have no reason to arrest
Okay,
me.
let's go take a seat in the back of my vehicle.
Hey, Sam, you look bad, Andy.
Come on.
Give my
Come on.
phones to her,
We'll
please.
grab it. Come on.
Jeez.
Let's go around the back. Okay, Miss Phillips. We didn't have to
This is
do that.
crazy.
Why didn't you
Why
just give
are
me
you
your driver's
doing
license?
it?
Why didn't you just give me your driver's license?
If it was that deep, you should just roll a ticket. Why are you arresting me?
'Cause that's the way it works in the state of Georgia. Unfortunately
No,
for
this
you.
is not how it
Take
works.
a seat.
It's not how it works in the state of Georgia.
Okay.
Can y'all now? She
Take a
got
seat.
this. She's
Take
literally.
put your leg in. That's the name she gave me.
It's not returning on accurate either.
I don't know why she just wouldn't give me this.
Have you already looked up the OLA and everything?
Everything. Well, not all. He just
I
ran
just
the
ran
roll
it.
in.
Okay, here, hold me.
That is true. Her sisters came back out of Indiana.
Dispatch has been updated.
It must be a fake ID.
Dispatch has been updated.
All right. So this is your sister, right? Then you're not. So she's under arrest. Okay. We found her ID. It's still not coming back. Yours came back out of Indiana. Hers is coming back as a possible fake ID out of Indiana. Is that her name? Like, this is your time to be honest with her. Okay. Why wouldn't she just give me her license if it was on her?
Yeah, it's
No class.
it also says operator license, but no class.
No class.
It's not even an ID. Yeah, you're right. It's fake.
Let me see. Let me see.
Hey, said some kind of account error and she kept trying and they never would.
Maybe that's not her.
Well, Nick found a picture.
Nick.
Barker. But he says he's not in the office. Well, that's her. But
Let me try.
it says, he said it should be 44 in this.
Yeah, that's her.
That's her. Alright, cool. I'm just letting you know what's going on right now. Apparently this Indiana license number is fraudulent and it's not returning to the state of Indiana either.
It's not fraudulent.
We also found a birthday for you of 79.
Okay, that's not my birthday. And I keep telling you all, I don't care what, if somebody, that has nothing to do with me.
And we
I
also found
You literally, that's not my name. You literally found my phone numbers, my license on me and everything else. You're still sitting up arresting me.
The driver doesn't have a license on her. That alone just means the officer needs to verify who she is another way. But the name and date of birth she gives don't come back in any system. Now the officer can't confirm her identity at all. At that point, the stop continues until identity is figured out. Officers can run databases, use fingerprint scanners, and keep asking for information because they need to know who they're dealing with. She gives more information, but none of it checks out. That's where obstruction comes in, giving information that prevents officers from confirming identity during an investigation. Then they find an ID on her. They run it, and it doesn't return as valid. That creates probable cause for possession of a fake ID, meaning she has an identification document that isn't legitimate. Now there are two issues. She couldn't be identified, and the ID she had appears fake. That's enough for two charges, obstruction and possession of a fake ID, and that's why she gets arrested. This situation isn't really about speeding. It's about what happens when identity can't be confirmed and the information being given doesn't check out. That's what turns it into a criminal case. Thanks for watching. If you found this legal breakdown informative, like, share, and subscribe. Leave your thoughts in the comments below.